You start with the blue line first, and after your blue line, then your light card, then your red line. That way then how you work your way coming out, so you don't get tangled in a card meanwhile you do it. You understand?
Look here.
At this wear, so you might want to knock in that little. That part your arm for your deal. See? Knock it in, man. Knock it in with the next. I'll get your hammer and just tap it in little. So it hold the glad arm them better.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
Yes, you too. Troy Stars back at it again. Here we go now. The video we're going to release, I come all the way from over BC, all the way from over MTI, all the way from over Castlegar. This is the school I'm going to enter. This is the school we start off with. We just come to Canada. Some of my subscribers I'm going to ask to show them a pre-trip, but they won't really want to do it myself. But I choose to make my friend Basil do it because he is the one that helped me to pass it also, because I tell you the truth, when I at the school and I do the pre-trip and I have the lady over here, because it was a lady instructor, come sit with that we get it right. And she over with the book and thing, and you have to get it right, you have to make sure you do it good, you know what I mean? And you have to pay the money there for go do. If you fail it, you have to pay again, so you want to get it right. So my son got asked Basil to do a pre-trip so that we can upload it on the channel and make everybody can watch it over 10, 4, 5 times so that they get it right, so that when they go do them tests, we get them license, them now have no reason to fail.
Up at the top and the glass and everything, so start from that front bumper come to this one. You understand? Now, when you do your underwood, the time will take you if you gone up there, so go and check your windshield and visor and light and something. You already halfway done this aside the engine and gone around the so. And when you do your circle check, you still go check it back again anyway. So why do it now? You understand? Hold this. Let me show you something. Pull over your bonnet. You work on the inside of the engine yourself. Remember what Andy tell you in the class, top, down, in, out. Right? So you start from the center engine. The first thing you see is crankshaft pulley, you know what the belt. The belt run go to what? The fan up. The fan up, from the fan up come to what? Your fan blade. And your fan blade come to your fan shroud. You know, so from your front shroud bolt it to your radiator. The radiator properly mounted with all them, you do some boom, you check your water line, you check your air line, and after that you start checking AC compressor. So you work your way from the center of the engine, come out, work your way to the back of the engine. So you check all wire harness, all braided hose seems to be secure, no audible air leak, no visible oil leak. You come up all of them air line here come up, right? Air cleaner properly fixed. You start to work your way down now. So you come in from the center of the engine, work your way up to the top, you work your way come out, you work your way to the back of the engine with all the hose and everything, filters, you check oil and all of them something there, right? Because the oil in my power steering. And then you work all of them hoses there, so all of them properly are fixed. Nothing seems to be loose, no worn, no crack, no distortion. So after you do that, you look a bump and you work your way go down chassis, you get your hammer. Then knock your U-bolt them, you check your spring, you check your pin them, make sure they're properly greased, nothing seems to be worn. You work your way from all of your steering box components, and so you come your way to the side of it, you check your push rod travel on the brake, and you check your push rod travel, you check your side of your wheel, and you check your side of your wheel, you check the thickness of your brake shoe. The thickness of your brake shoe should be no less than 5/16. You have to tell them, no, you can tell her that no. The only time you are doing a push rod travel and check brake and front tire is when you do an underwood. That is the only time you do this part. You do the rest of them when you do circle check. You get it? So you say no cracks, no bulge, no distortion on tire. You check tread depth 3 mm. You check no cracks, no bulge on tire here, so on the outside. And now you check rim, make sure there's no loose lug and everything. If there was an oil cap, you would have checked it.
There was no chrome cap.
Right, if there was no chrome cap on it, if you could have seen the oil cap, you understand the oil cap not visible. Right? But you would have seen tears. You have to explain them things to the examiner. She know, but she want to know so you have an understanding. So the first thing, you start from the crankshaft, belt, fan, come out, fan shroud, your pipes, hose and wire harness, work your way down past the chassis, go to your spring, U-bolt, you get your hammer, you knock, it's a boom. The last thing when you come out so and check brake shoe, check pusher travel, check your tread depth, check your rim them, the last thing you do is thump it tire with the hammer. When you thump it tire with the hammer, come with me. So you thump it tire with the hammer.
Then you can thump this one first.
The first thing you do is thump this tire first. Because you want to compare the sound on the both of them. So the last thing we do around here, so the first thing you do is thump it. Make sure tire is comparable. Right? After that, you start now again. Alternator, belt, fan blade on this side, fan shroud on this side, turbo boost hose, and so you work your way down with your radiator, work your way to back. You don't see anything like carbon develop and muffler when I say excessive leaking or anything. Right? Turbo seems to be properly fixed, nothing, no eye leak, no audible ear leak around us. No visible leak. You check your shock absorber, you thump the new bolt them, spring and all that. You come, you check pusher travel, check inside, outside wall of tire, you check tread depth, no less than 3mm it should be. You have a tell her them something. Then you check the outside and you check that. You're done. So you're not business with up there so yet. After you've done this now, you're going to truck start it. You keep your hand behind you. Fan belt is running through properly and pulley wheels, no pulley wheel seems to be wobbling. Fan blade is running through properly and fan shroud not touching anywhere. You understand? And you do it from that side, you come on, you do the same thing from this side. You know, here no leak from exhaust manifold, no visible eye leak developing, no audible ear leak. Then you throw over the bonnet.
You check spring everything or why as I said here.
Done. Then you throw over the bonnet. When you throw over your bonnet now, you're on there, so you go in and start the truck.
You turn on all high beam
All
lights.
high beam, high energy light, backup light, tail light, everything you turn on.
Everybody.
Then you start from this corner now. That marker light, that windshield wiper, this rear view mirror, this, you check the headlight them, you check grill, body work seems to be okay, headlamp on this side seems to be okay, windshield, corner lamp, everything. You're going to check marker light, you check this, you check the corner light, you come, boom, and you lock this. Because when you start round this, when you throw your bonnet, you lock that side, you know. You come round and you come lock this and then go back round. Multitask. You lock that side, you start with all your windshield and everything come down. Then you come round, you lock this side. You check rear view mirror, then you check this. No free play, excess free play on inches. Then you know, say, boom, you start check tank, but you say come here with the gauge, and you cut up your chuck, cut up your chuck, cut up your chuck. You check your glass and rear view, you understand? Slipper bird, you come down, everything on in your way now. If you cut here, you see this, you see the wing, you see the mark, the light, you see the wing, you see the marker light, battery something. When you come out, you check all of these, check all of them. You know, you see marker light up there, so it work. You see this marker light, you do some boom, 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 boom on the 4 tires them. You understand?
Yeah.
You check all of them there, and you're good.
Once you watch a preacher here, trust me, take it from me. As I say, him, cause me head tough, you know. Forget it right, and all the while me get it right, you know what I mean? So, with Basil, him send me a video with actually him a train one of the new drivers them are coming from Jamaica and over the school and, you know, prep him up, make sure so him pass him preacher exam while before you drive, if you do a preacher, make sure you pass that, and then you can go up on the road and do your thing, and then the license is all yours, you know what I mean? So, Basil send over the video, and me decide say, you know, a time for upload it on the channel, make everybody get to see what I go on. Big up all of my subscribers them. All of the link them ask about the pre-trip, this is it. I remember I'm tell you, watch it over and over and over until you have it right, you know what I mean? Do what you need to do, get it right, and this is it. Pre-trip, after you.
Pulley. Alright, go on again. Crankshaft pulley seems to be okay.
Crankshaft pulley seems to be okay. Fan belt okay. No leak on.
Follow your fan belt, go up to fan up.
Okay. Fan hub. Fan hub.
Right.
Okay. No leak on front of engine.
From the fan up to the fan blade.
Fan blade clean. No missing fan blade. Fan guard seems intact. Radiator firm. water line, no leaks, bars to radiator, okay, ear to ear,
Right.
fine. All wire harness seems to be in contact.
May I come?
Seems to be in contact. No
Right.
leak on top of engine.
Right.
Ear
Ear line.
audio ear leak or
Right. Sorry.
oil coming from ear lines or foot valve.
Yeah.
Steering in contact.
You have a book? You can follow me now.
Checking oil level.
Checking.
Oil level okay.
On power steering.
On power steering.
Right. You
Yeah.
have to tell her where you are with it. Right.
No oil leaks.
Mhm.
Frame seems fine. No excessive leak on power steering.
Mm-hmm.
All wire harness to headlights okay.
Yeah.
Bumper in contact and
Yeah.
firm.
Yeah.
Steering arm components,
Yeah.
crown bolts or castle nuts okay.
Yeah. Take up everything. Save your time. Can you say if you have make right?
Spring blade,
Right.
U-bolts.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So
When you're
Wire
done with the
harness
hammer, now you
too.
throw the hammer back at you.
wire harness
Yeah.
okay.
Mm-hmm.
Check free play.
Check push rod travel.
Check push rod travel.
Make sure it's within 3
It's
minutes.
within tolerance.
Within what?
3/4
Quarter.
of an inch.
Right. And then
And
you check.
no visible oil leaks from inside front wheel.
Yeah.
Front brake shoe not visible at this time. No cracks, bulges on inside tire.
Yeah. Work on the face.
Tire tread depth more than 3 millimeters
Right.
outside tire.
Uh-huh.
No cracks or bulges. Rims clean. No cracks. No oil leak. No air leak from valve. Lug nut seems secure. If there wasn't any chrome cover, I would have checked front wheel. Okay.
Check front oil level. Yeah.
Tire.
You got it, man. Right. Thump it tire. And the first thing you do
Tire.
is thump this tire. If you compare
Front audible and compared
with the other tire, right?
Okay. So
And then you start check your oil level now. engine-
fan belt on this side, okay.
Mhm.
Alternator seems in contact. Fan blades fine. Fan guard on this side. Tension bar,
Yeah.
radiator still firm, ear
Yeah.
to ear.
Yeah.
No visible ear leak
Yeah.
or eye leak.
Yeah.
Ear
Check
cleaner,
exhaust manifold.
clean. Water bottle, okay.
No carbon
No
showing
carbon.
from exhaust manifold.
No carbon coming from turbo or
Right.
exhaust
And
manifold.
then right below the turbo where you go to.
Oil.
Engine oil, you dry out. Make
Check
sure
oil.
it's, yeah.
Oil seems
To be
okay.
alright.
And sufficient level.
Yeah. And you know say alternator properly fixed.
Alternator properly affixed. Water
Right.
hose okay.
Right.
Frames okay.
Ear dryer.
Ear dryer.
Head
Wire
mount.
harness to headlights
Mhm.
okay. Bushing and bonnet okay. Bumper in contact. Ear dryer. Not leaking. No audible ear leak. All hose in contact.
Yeah.
Frame free of illegal well. Shocks. Spring. U-bolt. Okay. Check.
Malcolm, yeah?
Checking push rod travel.
Yeah.
Not exceeding 3/4 of an inch. Push rod travel okay.
Alright.
Okay. Inside rim, no wheel seal leaks.
Yeah, have it, man.
Brake shoe not visible.
So now work out, alright?
So yeah man.
Wow. So,
Yeah man. You know if you start back your truck we charge the trailer.
now if you push in the red button,
Yes.
if long as you are, if you see where your air pressure drop below 90, because you're going to need full charge. Me tell you, the full brake application that you do all depends on the amount of air in it, right? Good. So if you see it drop below 90, then you can start it back.
Yes.
You understand? Because the on a charge, the thing the charge already, right? The air pressure on there.
Airbag did lift up already. So
I can't talk on the name and I go on Facebook today, you know.
Well, this is Mr. Trace Edison here as I couple and uncouple this tractor with this trailer. I see that I follow the right procedure in doing it, and also so I could pass the exam. I know that that examiner lady is a wonderful lady. However, she's very skeptic of what you're doing because you know it's the rule and also the regulation. As I exit this cab using the 3-point contact to confirm that my trailer suspension has been charged, I go to the rear of the trailer, confirm it, and run it also. I confirm on the front that park brakes are released.
My Chad.
Park brake is released at the front axle, or left to right, and also trailer brake is released at the We're axle left to right. I need
So-
trailer need trailer suspension need to be charged. Probably this switch here. I'm not sure. Oh, turn it up.
Yeah, man, you turn it up.
Right up. It's back. Yes.
And you notice it start charging now.
I realize that I have noticed that
People,
suspension.
this is a bezel, you understand? That's how the guys to them pre-trip. Get the airbag before you land back, your landing gear up, that's all. Because anytime you, if you trailer have a ear leak, anytime you go and leave it and it start creep down, it push the landing gear forward. And if you try to wind the landing gear when you push forward, your friend see how it tight on your hand. And no sir, me man, a basil same way.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's a pre-trip. That's a pre-trip you should do when you're going to get your license. Big up yourself, Basil. Respect for sending a video there. You understand what I mean? So, MTI to the world. Like I said, pre-trip, Basil, in depth on the case. People, here we go on now, because it just a get nice, you know. All of them vlogging here just a get nice, because here we go on now. Upcoming vlogging. I have the deal for sign off for the truck, right? I have trip to Jamaica, right? I have trip to Castlegar, right? I have trip. Listen, me I carrying up on all of my trip them. So stay tuned, make sure you subscribe. So I go on, I got Jamaica for 3 days. You know what I mean? I got Castlegar for 3 days. You know what I mean? So back and forth and playing and this and that. Yo, it got nice. Yo, I have a whole heap of video coming. I mean, respect, thanks for tuning in. And you know, say I try stars are telling us, say, yo, Jano Star, we are do it like night. Yo, respect, thanks, and peace. Have a wonderful day. Respect, try stars. Check out.